Hi everyone, in this video I'll be installing and reviewing this camera wall mount from ARKON. This is model CMPH-D006 and I got it so that I can mount my Canon PowerShot G7X III on top of my screen so that I can use it as a webcam. I chose this one because it can be put in many positions and it's really very sturdy. So I got this from Amazon, and the specifications on Amazon's website say that this is an 8-inch like wall mount. I measured it and it is 8.5 inch from top to the base, so which is very good, and this suits my purpose. And to install it you need 4 screws. It comes with 4 screws, so you need to put the screws here, of course. And I advise you to install it, of course, on a stud in the wall. For this you need a stud finder. I have a stud finder. If you want to see how to find the stud in the wall using this Craftsman stud finder, I'm gonna leave a link in the description on a video I made on this. So let me show you a little bit how it moves in all directions. First, it has a ball joint here, and this ball here, it is a little bit like scratched so that it can be sturdy. So you loosen it like this, and then you can position it which way you want. And once it is loosened, also you can turn it here. And this is the second joint here. And here it has keys. So I don't know if you can see the keys inside here. It's a little bit hard to see. And these keys are really very good because they hold it in place and it doesn't move anymore. And on top here, you have also this screw. If you unscrew it, you can put your camera here and you can put it anywhere you want. So the camera is a standard here mount. You can turn it and you can mount your camera very easily in it like this. So here's the camera mounted. So this here is my 32-inch screen, and this is where I'm gonna install the wall mount from ARKON. So I'm gonna leave about ½ an inch from the top of the screen to the bottom of the wall mount here so that I can position the camera any way I want. And it's better also to level it. So it's not a big deal if you don't level it because it turns like any way you want, but it's better to level it. If you have a leveler, just use it here, put it on the base and make sure that it is leveled, and then mark here with a pen the holes that you want to drill, and then just install it. To install it, it's easier to remove it here, so just loosen it all the way and it can be removed. So this way you can install it easier. So this is it removed. Do not tighten the screws from the first time. Tighten them at the end. So to tighten the screws, I advise you always to tighten them by hand so that they don't become loose. So this is a Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them by hand. Do not over tighten them. Never over tighten the screws because they will become loose. So here it is installed, as you see. So here's the camera installed now, and it is really good. And this is here on my screen. So this here is now the footage from the camera that I mounted on the ARKON wall mount, and I really like the position of this camera. And what I like about it is now that I can do unboxing without removing the camera and putting it back on. So let me show you how. So here I cleared my desk a little bit, and if I bring the camera down like this, and it can be adjusted any way you like, and I can do the unboxings here, and it is really very good. So I can even zoom out if I want to, and this will really save me time. And this is something that I like very much. If you want to check this ARKON camera wall mount, I have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel greatly. I hope that you liked my video and you found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and this will help the channel greatly. And this way, you'll not miss any future videos I make. I'm Eloy. I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.